What's up, guys? It's Josh from Blackout. It's Wednesday, so we're going to show you what's going on in the shop. We're over at the other shop today. This is quickly becoming, I guess, a wrap slash upfitting shop. And behind me, we've got a vinyl wrap that we're working on. This is a Chevy Silverado 3500 dually, and it's getting changed from black to an orange and black and gray camo. You guys might remember the R8 that we wrapped in camo. This is the same person, so he likes his camo wraps. This thing is coming out awesome.
It's the 4 weeks of Christmas sweaters. This one brought to you by Jurassic World. Please pay me and keep making movies. Thank you.
Over here, Marshall's working on a police car. This is one of the Interceptors from Megan Ford. If you don't know, we've teamed up with Megan. They have police Interceptors in stock, both black and white. We're going to make sure that we have some stuff upfitted, ready to go. So if your department needs a vehicle, we can have it to you right away. No more 2-month wait for the car and another 2 months for the upfit. We can make sure we get that all taken care of before you take delivery, and it's available right away. So this is one of those. It got a full outfit, and Marshall's doing some graphics on it now. All right, guys, we're back at the main shop, and behind me is a Kia Stinger. This one's getting a Ceramic Pro Gold package. Patrick is currently laying down the last coat of 9H, I believe, and then the top coat goes on tomorrow. Jimmy is currently installing a Ceramic Pro Gold package also on a Toyota Tundra. This one's getting an interior detail, so Brandon and Aaron and Terrell, it looks like, are all working on that. I think Terrell had a cancellation for 10, so he jumped in on detailing. Another Super Duty. This one is an F250 Tremor. I like this package. Everything's all blacked out, black wheels, black grille, no chrome on the handles or anything like that. And this one got window tint on the fronts and a visor, paint protection film on the front end, and it's also getting an XPEL Fusion ceramic coating. This Chevy Equinox got paint protection film installed earlier in the week, and now it is getting a Ceramic Pro silver package. And as we made our way around the building, apparently Terrell's tint appointment showed up, so he's pulling that in right now. We're gonna go outside and show you what's out there. And outside, we actually only have one car outside that we're working on, and that is this Super Duty. This one's here for an annual inspection. I don't know what year it is. I know it's not the first year, so either 2 or 3, but you can see the paint is still glossy like the day that we did it. No more waxing for this truck. Give us a call for a ceramic coating. And that's it for what's going on in the shop this week. Remember, we have gift certificates for the car lover in your life. Stop in and grab one of those, and we will see you next week. Thank you very much for watching.